Hyundai. Before we get started, we want to celebrate the Ioniq 6N won World Performance Car of the Year this morning. Thank you to the Euros and most importantly, all the hardworking men and women at Hyundai. Thank you for joining us for the 40th anniversary of Hyundai in America. We are a very different company from the one that introduced the Excel here in 1986. From Alabama to California, Georgia and Michigan, America is our home, and we are proud to deliver vehicles that exceed expectations across every segment we compete in. Indeed, it is a great time to be at Hyundai. Last year, we were the number 3 automaker in global sales volume, number 2 in profitability. We were a top 5 brand in 26 markets around the world, including the United States. And we continue to build on that performance in 2026. In fact, Hyundai's market capitalization has increased by more than 120% since last year. Not only we are running on all cylinders, we're fully charged, fully connected, and ready to go. Much of this success is driven by Hyundai's performance in our most important market, the United States. We've invested well over $20 billion here since 1986 to make this possible. We're doubling down, expanding our expectations and our operations and bringing more products to the US. That's why we are investing an additional $26 billion here through 2028. This will create 25,000 new direct jobs on top of the 570,000 jobs that Hyundai Motor Group currently supports here. Later this year, we'll begin building a brand new state-of-the-art low-carbon steel mill in Louisiana. We've also announced plans for new robotics facilities. Plus, we are expanding US vehicle production. 80% of the models sold here will be produced here by 2030. Hyundai's global growth is driven by our ability to deliver stylish, attainable vehicles with the convenience, technology, and safety features our customers want. We are building on this success by expanding our lineup to include more of the products consumers are looking for. Last week, at our shareholder meeting, we announced that Hyundai is bringing 36 new or significantly refreshed vehicles to North America in the next 5 years. Today, for the first time, I'm happy to announce that Genesis will bring 22 vehicles to North America over the same time frame. This means that together, Hyundai and Genesis will bring a combined total of 58 new vehicles to North America by 2030. This is localization in action and the tangible consumer benefits that come from the investments we're making in America. Globally, we're growing our hybrid offering to 18 models by 2030. Next year, we'll be adding extended range EVs that offer an EV-like daily driving experience with no range anxiety. And as I announced at our CEO Investor Day in New York last September, we're going to have a new body-on-frame mid-size truck by 2030. These vehicles will be built in cutting-edge facilities, including our new Georgia Meta plant, leveraging real-time connected manufacturing, AI-informed quality inspection with our Boston Dynamics robots integrated in the production process. We are becoming a company where AI robots work alongside our people in smart factories, where our vehicles think and drive themselves, and where the boundaries between automobile technology and intelligence are dissolving. This approach is based on our company's guiding vision, progress for humanity. And as you can see, we don't believe the future starts tomorrow. It starts today. From advanced mobility to robotics and beyond, we are defining what's next, pushing new boundaries and shaping the future. This vision extends to our ongoing sponsorship of FIFA and the FIFA World Cup. With every match, players, fans, and the world get a glimpse of what's next. New talent, new energy, new possibilities. This is more than a tournament. It is a catalyst for change. Fittingly, our campaign theme for this World Cup is Next Starts Now. The next generation of football stars aren't waiting for tomorrow. They are confidently shaping the future of the sport today. Unlike them, Hyundai isn't waiting. For drivers and sports fans alike, we are ready now to share what's next. For 27 years, we've served as FIFA's mobility partner, transporting teams, officials, and media among venues. This year, we are providing a record number of vehicles, and we are excited to expand our role by bringing robotics to the World Cup. Spot and Atlas, two of Boston Dynamics' most innovative robots, will make appearances during the games. But innovation isn't limited to technology. It thrives in the next generation of soccer stars as they challenge convention and redefine the sport's future. That's why we are working with icons Mia Hamm and Tim Howard once again to host youth soccer camps across the US in April and May, inspiring and developing the athletes of tomorrow. Next Starts Now is a celebration of progress. So I'm pleased to announce that Song Hyun-min, captain of South Korea's national team and left winger of Los Angeles FC, is Hyundai's new World Cup ambassador. He is a true embodiment of the future forward spirit and will bring our campaign to life both on and off the pitch. Grassroots youth soccer camps, robotics innovations, inspiring ambassadors like Song Hyun-min. This is New Starts Now in action. Soon, with World Cup games in 11 cities across the United States, more American soccer fans than ever will get to see a beautiful game at its very best. One of those fans is my friend, President and Chief Executive Officer of Hyundai Motor North America, Randy Parker. Please welcome him to the stage.
Thank you, Jose. And I promise you, I'll be watching every incredible moment of this year's World Cup. But my heart will always belong to Team USA. Hyundai's own Team USA is on a roll. We set an all-time sales record in 2025. And this year, we're on track for our sixth straight year of record retail sales, or, as I like to say, 6 for 6 in 26. Now that success comes down to two things: class-leading products and outstanding dealer partners, all driven by our shared commitment to progress for humanity. But progress for humanity is about more than business. It's what inspires Hyundai Hope on Wheels and our commitment to ending childhood cancer. Over the past 28 years, Hyundai has contributed more than $300 million to this cause, helping improve childhood cancer survival rates in the US from about 75% to 85%, positively impacting the lives of more than 40,000 children. Behind every breakthrough is a child with extraordinary courage. And today, a new generation of young cancer warriors are not only surviving, they're using their voices to help others. We're honored to be joined by two of those voices today. This year's Hyundai Hope on Wheels National Youth Ambassadors, Jackson and Isabella, our newest ambassador. Let's give them a round of applause. And our commitment continues to grow. This year alone, Hyundai is contributing more than $29 million across the United States, Canada, and Mexico. Now, that same spirit of progress for humanity also drives our product strategy, pushing us into segments where customers are clearly telling us they want more. With that signal from the market and lessons learned from the Santa Cruz, we are ready to expand our portfolio with a new mid-size body-on-frame pickup truck. Body-on-frame trucks matter in America. They're the backbone of small businesses, weekend adventures, and everyday families. And we know that this is a highly competitive space, and we're not taking this lightly. Hyundai body-on-frame vehicles will be woven into the fabric of America. They will be designed in America, developed for America, built in America, using American Hyundai steel. Going body on frame opens a world of possibilities. And we're excited to show you one of the many directions we're exploring. Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look.
The Boulder concept. Please welcome the Executive Vice President and Head of Hyundai and Genesis Global Design Center, Sang-Yup Lee.
Surprise, 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 isn't it? I bet you thought it's going to be a pickup truck, didn't you? For the North American reason, we are dreaming big. We are dreaming of vehicles that gives our customers the freedom to pursue their most extreme adventures. Each of us has a unique idea of what adventure means. Boulder takes its name from the Colorado town, famous for being an outdoor enthusiast paradise. It's an appropriate name because whether conquering mountain peaks and exploring refreshing forest, Boulder has you covered. This is not just styling, it is the design built on American values and lifestyle. We have identified the essential and the design tool for our customers to blaze new trails. As Randy mentioned, this new adventure demands a new approach, a new platform, body on frame. Body on frame gives us the freedom to expand this authentic approach to variety of lifestyles. This idea of authenticity also informs how we design those products, embracing the natural state of materials, like steel, and using them to create honest design. This approach empowers us to craft a vehicle that is stronger, not louder. It is not just a concept car. This is the confident declaration of where we're headed. This big dream of body and frame design has been developed in our California Design Center. To tell us more detail, I would like to introduce my friend, Head of Design Hyundai North America, Brett. Please welcome.
Thank you, Sang-Yup, and good morning. This idea of ultimate freedom begins with the freedom of exploration, providing our customers the hardware and software for them to feel safe and confident when exploring adventures around the next bend. Whether you're hiking, camping, surfing, or perhaps the more frequent adventure of driving over parking lot curbs at Home Depot, Boulder leads the way with 37-inch tires, impressive ground clearance, and serious suspension travel. To help you explore confidently, Boulder offers software-driven off-road guidance. It's like having your very own digital spotter sitting shotgun. We push further with freedom of movement. Boulder reacts to the user's presence with flexible openings, including a dual-hinge tailgate and safari windows that flood the configurable interior with light. Inside and out, Boulder's flexibility supports every moment of your adventure. Finally, freedom of expression. Boulder's accessory-ready platform is an open canvas that you can equip for your hobbies in your style. This designed-in flexibility ensures that no two Boulders will ever look the same. Ultimate customization that encourages the customer to interact with their vehicle. Shifting our focus to the details, Boulder delivers a simple and confident first impression. Even from across the intersection, onlookers can't help but notice our bold, soft pixel lights. Closer inspection reveals the level of passion that our designers poured into Boulder. Passion that creates layers of lasting obsession. It is stronger, not louder. It is authentic and honest. It is the Hyundai Boulder concept.
Thank you, Greg. Stronger, not louder. So as you can see, we're focused on making the next years in the US the best years. We are dreaming bigger than ever. With body and frame offers leading the way, we will continue to develop and build a desirable product in the US for the US. This is only the beginning. Please stay tuned. We have a lot more come near you. Thank you.
Once again, Jose Munoz.
Well, introducing this Boulder concept study here in New York feels like a fitting way to celebrate our 40 years in America. Giving our customers more choices and providing more capability for work and play is an imperative for Hyundai and our 2030 plan. As you can see, we're taking this opportunity very seriously. Our production body and frame tracks will usher in a bold new chapter for Hyundai Motor America by reflecting a core American value: freedom. Freedom of movement, freedom of expression, freedom to dream. These vehicles will be rugged, new reflections of Hyundai's commitment to progress for humanity. And now, I'd like to invite you up here for a closer look. But before you do, please give us a moment for a quick team photo.